Go.
Okay, here's our floor-mounted cutoff knife. This one isn't quite ready to ship, but it's for another customer. This thing would bolt to the floor between the wheel, which is over here, and the cutting table, which is to my left. The knife is mounted on a carriage to allow it to be pushed across the width of the wheel. The carriage is bolted to the floor. Power for the knife comes through this rewinding cable spool here. That's spring-loaded, so when I let go of the knife, it comes back, bumps against the stop here. We don't have the stop in this one yet. The knife is, there's three functions. There's two electrical actuators in the housing here to allow the housing to move up closer to the wheel or higher or lower. I'll demonstrate that here. And then there's the motor for the Eastman knife. All of these controls are controlled by two pistol grips, and you have to work both grips simultaneously for anything to happen. That's a safety feature to prevent the operator from operating the knife with one hand and getting his knife or getting his fingers in the way of danger. So I'll demonstrate first moving the knife closer to the wheel. Hit these two buttons simultaneously. I'm sorry, I got the wrong button. Now the knife is going up. As you can see, it's going up. And I can go up about 8 inches, or I can come back down. That's so that you can get the knife in a position where it lines up where you want it to cut on the wheel. These other two switches, I push both of them simultaneously, and the knife moves in closer to the wheel or further away from the wheel. That's to allow for different sizes of wheel. We'll still be able to make the cut when the wheel is adjusted to larger or smaller sizes. The third function is controlled by a little push-button trigger thing on both handles. If I push a trigger one at a time, nothing happens. If I push them both with a little time delay between them, nothing happens. But if I push them both simultaneously, the Eastman knife fires up, and I can push it across the wheel to cut the material. Release them, and bring this back, and then I can park it in its down position and its furthest position away from the wheel. So there you have it.